Mark Cuban's major warning for NIO investors. If you're looking for advice on which stock to purchase right now, then we would suggest that you give some thought to all the options presented here. Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Market News, and we are excited to share with you news related to NIO stock and other stock related news. So without any further ado, let's dive right into our video. And before that, please make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so you get every single update from us in the future. In Shanghai, China, NIO Incorporated, a pioneer and a leading company in the premium smart electric vehicle market, announced today that it is successfully listed by way of introduction. It is Class A ordinary shares on the main board of the Singapore Exchange Securities Trading Limited, or the SGX-ST. The SGX-ST is a part of the Singapore Exchange. The shares can be bought and sold on the main board of the SGX-ST using the stock code NIO in board lot sizes of 10 shares each. The American depositary shares, also known as ADSs, of the company continue to be listed and traded principally on the New York Stock Exchange. Each ADS represents one share. The shares that are traded on the main board of the Singapore Exchange and the ADSs that are traded on the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, are completely interchangeable. NIO has reached a significant new benchmark as of today, according to William Ben Lee, founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of NIO. The company's listing on the Singapore Exchange Stock Exchange has further reinforced NIO's standing in the global financial markets. Furthermore, by capitalizing on Singapore's advantageous position as an international innovation and technology center, NIO plans to establish a research and development center for artificial intelligence and autonomous driving in Singapore, and to collaborate with local science and research institutions to further broaden and enhance our global research and development capabilities. Concerning the company, NIO was an industry trailblazer and is currently a dominant player in the premium smart electric car market. NIO was established in November 2014, and its goal is to help develop a lifestyle that is filled with joy. NIO's goal is to create a community beginning with intelligent electric vehicles to share the delight and expand together with customers. NIO designs, develops, collaboratively manufactures, and distributes premium smart electric vehicles. These vehicles are at the forefront of innovation for next-generation technology such as autonomous driving, digital technology, electric powertrains, and batteries. Battery as a Service, also known as BaaS, which is NIO's industry-leading battery swapping technology, and Autonomous Driving as a Service, which is NIO's proprietary autonomous driving technology, are two examples of how NIO differentiates itself through its continuous technological breakthroughs and innovations. NIO introduced the ES8, a flagship luxury smart electric SUV with 7 seats, in December of 2017. The company started making deliveries of the ES8 in June of 2018, and its counterpart with 6 seats, the ES8, started making deliveries in March of 2019. In December 2018, NIO debuted the ES6, a high-performance luxury smart electric SUV with 5 seats, and in June 2019, the company began delivering AS6 vehicles to customers. In December 2019, NIO introduced the EC6, a luxury smart electric coupe SUV with 5 seats, and in September 2020, the company began delivering EC6 vehicles to customers. In January of 2021, NIO introduced the ET7, a flagship luxury smart electric vehicle, and 3 years later, in March of 2022, the company started delivering ET7s to customers. In December of 2021, NIO introduced the ET5, a luxury smart electric sedan that was sized appropriately for a mid-size vehicle. Statement of the Safe Harbor. This press release includes information that may constitute forward-looking statements following the Safe Harbor provisions of the United States Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. These forward-looking statements can be recognized by the use of wording such as will, expects, anticipates, aims, future, intends, plans, believes, and estimates, and similar words. Additionally, NIO may make written or oral forward-looking statements in its periodic reports to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, and announcements made on the websites of each of the SCHK and the SGX-ST, and its annual report to shareholders, and press releases and other written materials, and in oral statements made by its officers, directors, or employees to third parties. Statements that are not historical facts are examples of forward-looking statements. These can include statements regarding the opinions, plans, and expectations of NIO. Statements that look into the future future are subject to several risks and uncertainties by their very nature. Actual results may differ materially from those contained in any forward-looking statement due to several factors, including but not limited to the following: NIO's strategies, NIO's future business development, financial condition and results of operations, NIO's ability to develop and manufacture a car of sufficient quality and appeal to customers on schedule and a large scale, its ability to ensure and expand manufacturing capacities, including establishing new manufacturing facilities, NIO's ability to develop and manufacture a car of sufficient quality. Additional information regarding these and other risks can be found in the filings that NIO has made with the SEC, the announcements that have been posted on the website of the SCHK, and the introductory paper that has been distributed with the SGX-ST. What went down is this. NIO stock is plunging this morning on the New York Stock Exchange. It would appear that there are two factors contributing to the movement. As of 10:28 a.m. Eastern Time at the time of the video, the price of NIO American Depositary shares was down about 9% and was still 7% lower than the price at which they had closed on Friday. Then what? The initial information that has investors concerned may potentially turn out to be beneficial for NIO in the long run. A negative reaction was elicited today in response to a report that stated the corporation is in the process of organizing an independent committee to probe previous charges made by a short seller. Another increase in COVID-19 in China is adding to the amount of pressure that is now being exerted on NIO shares, after it was revealed that Macau will be suspending all of its casinos for 1 week to prevent further spread. The Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong experienced a loss of 2.8% on Monday. The stocks of Chinese automakers are taking a hit as a result of this development because they have only recently begun to build up production after experiencing earlier lockdowns that harm both output and sales. Well, so what's next? Late in June, a company called Grizzly Research asserted that a short seller named NIO had inflated reported revenue by fraudulently booking battery purchases for its battery as a service business. Customers who choose this alternative can pay a recurring price every month to receive battery replacements. This has the effect of deducting the cost of the battery from the price of the car, which maintains the lower initial cost of EVs. The board of directors of NIO announced today that, at the request of management, it has formed an independent committee that has retrained independent professional advisors to assist with the independent investigation. These advisors include a reputable forensics accounting firm and an international law firm. After the charges were made public, management issued a statement stating that the assertions were baseless and featured a great number of inaccuracies. According to the article, NIO books all sales of batteries in its BAAS service, while a third-party company that is owned by NIO, huge electric vehicle battery manufacturer Contemporary Amperex Technology, and others are tasked with collecting the monthly subscription revenue. This morning, investors appear to be selling in a state of mild panic because any claims of improper behavior raise a cautious flag. Nevertheless, if the backing of management is any indicator, the newly formed committee will exonerate the corporation of any wrongdoing, and today's price decline will likely be reversed. For the time being, shareholders and investors who possess shares will be required to wait for such findings. Please remember, this channel is not intended to provide financial advice. We do not advise you to invest in any company. This is just the approach for bringing instructional content to your door. With that in mind, we urge that you perform considerable research on the issue before you purchase anything. Hey, let us know in the comments section what you feel about NIO stock. Is a long-term investment worth it? For now, our video for today has reached its end. Please make sure you click the like button and subscribe too so you can continue to get more great material from us. Thank you. Till then, we'll see you in our next video.